Hello everyone. In this lecture series of industrial engineering, today we are going to discuss man and machine chart. It is also known as multiple activity chart. This chart is drawn against a common time scale. So one column of time is common for worker as well as machine. So here we are going to record the activity of worker and machine simultaneously. This chart indicates the idleness or utilization of operator as well as machine. On the basis of recorded events, we can rearrange or we can reorganize all the activity to reduce idle time, or we can say we can better utilize operator and machine by rearranging all the activities. This chart is used to balance the work between man and machine. So here I have taken one example of man and machine chart. On the right side we have recorded all the activities performed by the machine, and in the left side we have recorded all the activities done by the operator. So operation is of hole punching on metal sheet. Worker first pick up the sheet and then position in machine and then start machine. At the time of positioning and starting the machine is idle, and it will take 3.5 minutes. Activities done by worker is recorded as a independent activities because there is no activities done by machine at this time. And idleness of machine is indicated by this hash box. After starting the machine will punch the punch plate, and it will take 0.85 time. It is independent activity is done only by machine. It is denoted as a dark box. And then finally operator will unload the machine. It will take 0.65 minutes. Is activity done only by operator, so it will be denoted as a dark box, and at that time machine is idle, so we have represent with the hash box. So activities done by the operator and machine is simultaneously recorded again the time scale, and also we have used a symbol to show the idleness and activeness of machine as well as operator. Finally, we will prepare a summary table in which idle time, operating time of operator and machine will be recorded. Idle time of operator is, we can find from this chart, it is of 0.85 minute. Idle time of machine is summation of this 3.5 and 0.65, it will be 4.15. Operating time or operation time of operator is 4.15. It will be summation of this 3.5 and 0.65. So summation of 3.5 and 0.65 will give you 4.15, and operating time of machine will be 0.85. Only during 0.85 minute machine is working to punch the plate. Total time or cycle time is 5 minutes because this operation of hole punching will take 5 minutes. That we can get from summation of all these values 3.5, 0.85 and 0.65. That is time taken by machine and worker simultaneously. Now we need to find percentage utilization from this data. Equation of percentage utilization is operation time divided by cycle time into 100. We need to find utilization in percentage, so we need to multiply it by 100. Operation time of worker is 4.15 and cycle time is 5. So we will divide 4.15 by 5 and then we will multiply it by 100. We will get 83% of utilization of worker. Similarly, we can find percentage utilization of machine by dividing these two value of 0.85, that is operating time of machine, and cycle time is 5. We will get 17% of utilization of machine. So clearly we can see that a percentage utilization of worker is more compared to a machine, and we need to balance this work. Also we need to reduce the idle time of machine, and by reducing idle time we can increase the amount of utilization of machine. We can also introduce semi-automatic machine, or we can introduce automatic feed mechanism in power press, so we can utilize machine in better way. So this we can deduce from chart. So chart, man and machine chart is very much helpful to find the work balance, and by finding the percentage utilization of worker and machine for particular activity, we can deduce many things from this chart. So thank you very much. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Have a nice day.